Meteorologist Joe Hansley here. Gotcha. Monday, Martin Luther King Jr. Day edition of your mountain forecast. And prepare for hazardous traveling over the next few days. Some scattered light snow already noted up in Copper Mountain, and this is just the start of it. Also worth noting, got a dense fog advisory in northwest Colorado for the lower Yampa River Basin. A winter storm watch popping up in northeast Colorado, including Denver, Tuesday night into Wednesday. For central mountains, winter weather advisory, winter storm warning for southwest Colorado, including the San Juans and spots like Cortez, expecting about a half a foot to a foot of snow for some elevations above 6,000 feet. So we're talking snow starting to increase today, but it's going to be off and on for the next 3 days. Tuesday night through the first half of Wednesday. Hazardous traveling due to snow and areas of blowing and drifting snow potentially. Some of that locally for both the mountains and the valleys. We should get some gusty winds for a lot of the mountain areas for today. Take these numbers with a grain of salt, but we're talking still moderate to some heavy snowfall accumulations, especially favoring the central and southern mountains of Colorado. But we could get some foot totals in areas of northeast Colorado before it's all done midweek as well. High temps today, largely above average, a lot of 20s, 30s, even 40s. Cortez, you're near 34 today. That is actually below average for you. Spots like Vail, Crested Butte, Steamboat Springs, slightly above average for highs today. The strongest winds will be in the mountains, favoring the Sangre de Cristo Range, Front Range, and the San Juans. Scattered showers are going to start light at first, but some moderate snow is possible later this afternoon. And from south to north, it'll start to intensify. We'll certainly at times potentially see some heavy snow across the area, especially if you're in the winter weather advisory or storm warning. Denver, odds of accumulating snow in Denver are increasing Tuesday night into Wednesday. Could see with that winter storm watch, still some uncertainty, a half a foot to a foot of snow in areas of northeast Colorado. Plan accordingly. Up in Steamboat, high near 30. Rocky Mountain National Park, Eldora, Winter Park, highs in the mid-20s to mid-30s. We're talking 1 to 3 inches of snow for spots like Steamboat, about a half a foot to a foot up in Winter Park. We'll have snow off and on through Wednesday, a break Thursday, chance of light snow Friday, and long-term models want to give us another chance of potentially some good snow for the end of the weekend. This active forecast continues. For Aspen, Snowmass, Sunlight, Vail, Beaver Creek, Copper Mountain, watching for snow as well through Wednesday. About 4 to 8 inches of snow for areas like Aspen, or 4 to 6 inches of snow for spots like Aspen. About the 4 to 8 inch range for spots like Copper Mountain and Vail. Off and on snow through Thursday. For central areas, snow in the forecast near 25 in Copper Mountain, a half a foot to a foot, possible in some areas, including Loveland Ski. We'll get a break by Thursday. To the south, heavy snow, a half a foot to a foot, to locally heavy amounts for areas like Purgatory and Telluride. Be safe out there. Back to you.